Look at your mom. Look at your grand.
Okay, we're doing a video. Let's walk.
All right, let's go.
Remember the last time I did bareback? I did so good on bareback. Come on, Jay.
How do you like the saddle?
That looks pretty good. It's so awesome. Yeah.
Hang on to the horn. That's your steering wheel. Sort of. Your handlebars.
Yeah.
We're doing this one round and then we're done. Good job, Jesse. You remembered. I told him when you go uphill, you lean forward, and when you go downhill, you lean back.
I didn't lean backwards when we went downhill. That was very still.
No, hang on. All right, we're about done.